I'm on a new Carrier 2019 model. About to check the coolant on it. These are the new blowers, the new blower wheels and blower motor. No belt. It's like 70 degrees outside, so I should be able to check the charge right. Should be able to get some good pressures on it today. These are the outdoor blower motors and fan blade. Just had to turn the power on it. Two different disconnects. One right there, and then you got the other one down here. Sure to have a TXV on this one, so you know it might take 5, 10, 15 minutes for the pressures to stabilize. Check my amps. That's the compressor right there. 9.8. Starting to go down there, 9.5. This should be the outdoor fan coming from the capacitor. Okay, 0.66. You see what I'm getting on that indoor blower. Okay, 3.1 on the indoor. That's about it. Just checking voltage, checking amps, and checking pressures. This unit is pretty new, so it doesn't really need to be cleaned. Filters are good. See what kind of voltage I'm getting in. Got 213 coming in. Okay, let me go check on my pressures. High side look good. Low side look low. It might be because I got to have them doors off over there. I'm about to put them doors back on. Charge should be good, but you know, hey, you never know. You gotta, you know, even on startup, sometimes you might have too much, you might not have enough. So this unit has been running and working, but this is my first time checking it. So, you know, I'm gonna put the doors back on, check everything. Hopefully everything is right, or if not, I'll just write it up. All right, y'all have a good one.